All newborn babies communicate by using 5 universal sounds.
The first word is ne,
Ne.
and this is the word for hunger.
What's the next word?
The next word is ow, and that's the word for sleeping.
Very good. Now, you've uncovered a word that you say means discomfort. What is that?
Yes, this is the word he. The next sound is air, and this is a lower sound. So next one is and this is when there's an air bubble in the top part of the chest and the body's using a reflex to get the air out.